SlideOuts. SlideOuts are powered by 12-volt batteries and can be operated by using the switch located on the main control panel, usually located in the center of the RV. Bedroom SlideOuts may have their own switch located in the bedroom or hallway. To use the SlideOut, ensure that the parking brake is engaged and the RV is level. The engine may need to be on or off depending on the vehicle. If the auxiliary battery is drained, restore the charge by running the engine for approximately 15 minutes. Try to start the generator and turn the engine off. Check the fuses. If the SlideOut becomes stuck, try moving the SlideOut in and out by hand until it frees itself. However, do not force it. Forcing the SlideOut to move in or out may result in damage and potentially disable the SlideOut completely. Most SlideOut systems have a manual override function, and step-by-step instructions can usually be found on the controller, which is often located in the exterior compartment below the SlideOut. Should you need additional service, please call the On the Road Care Team.